Okay, good morning. Let's power on the teletype. Running open as one would expect. These buttons don't do much as it's not switched on. So let me switch this on. And no lights illuminated here, just the one green light here. We're not connected to the internet or anything. Okay, I shall now press the first button. And we just have the single amber LED. And after a few moments, the red LED will come on. If I press any of these buttons, not much happens. And there is the red LED. If I press any buttons on the teletype, you'll see the green LED comes up. Or if I turn the dial, you can see it does something. These buttons don't seem to do anything. This one doesn't do anything. If I do this, it'll the fourth button, the green LED will come on, and sometimes it prints out question marks when I do that. And again, trying to press any sequence of these here doesn't do too much. I'm not sure what they're doing. If I do a long push on this one, it will switch it off. And there it is, switched off. I don't really know what these buttons do. Okay, so if I power back on again, get the yellow amber LED. If I do the here is button, for example, GKL house, I don't know what that is, previous owner. Now we have a blue LED flashing. That only seems to flash after I do the here is button. I guess it can't communicate or something, I don't know. Either way, I don't get much going on. So I can switch it off. That normally switches it off, doesn't it?